Hi there, I have a thoracic twist for you today. Since the mid-back is a little harder to twist into, that's what we're going to explore right now. So let's come on the hands and knees. Thread the right arm underneath, put the shoulder down on the floor, extend the left arm. Lift your tailbone toward the ceiling and push both palms gently into the floor. Twist. Close the lips, long smooth breath. The more you reach your tailbone up toward the ceiling and the more you push into your hands, the bigger twisting sensation you'll get in the back. Hold the hands and come to the other side. One more breath here. All the way up to our standing forward fold. Bend your knees a ton and get the ribs resting on the thighs with your head hanging. We'll take the elbows right above the knees. Push the elbows in towards the bone and up towards the head. In towards the bone and up towards the head is going to give you an extra space somewhere in that thoracic region. Let's take a long smooth breath. Remember that we don't roll it through the spine. We simply stand up with a straight spine. All right, well, if you have any questions, leave those in the comments and I will see you very soon.